We got this nice, beautiful chocolate. It is hard and it takes a long time. You can't even break it. It's going to take a long time to actually break it down, but two ways of doing it. All right, I'm going to show you the two ways of doing it. All right, cut half of it with the knife. It was hard. Now we'll put it in here and then flatten. Now don't lose any of the spoils, all right? Because if it's not enough, then you can always crack the other one to make it super chocolatey. Perfect. Increase the speeds of cooking it instead of waiting for hours like my grandma used to do. And then if you want just a little bit, because everybody always wants some seconds or maybe the leftovers, just a little bit, because it does evaporate. Now, there is a whipping system that we have that you could just whip it and it makes it more smoothie, and we're gonna do that too. I'm gonna show you guys a secret too. There it goes, it's foaming up now. That's what we want. And this thing, we're gonna turn it off slowly. Yep, off. There. That's what we want. That's it. We just did it. Look at that, beautiful. So it dissolved everything. Keep moving it around. Let's taste it. Oh, beautiful. All right, now we got our little bit of milk, all right? A little bit of milk. We're gonna foam it up, all right? So foaming it up just a little bit so it can cool it off. We're gonna add our foam to it. We could drip it in there like that, just like that. Look at that, beautiful. That's a perfect chocolate milk. Look at that. Beautiful. It's extremely hot on the top, foamy on the top. Extremely hot and foamy on the top, but the piece of resistance. There you go. So for a nice, beautiful, cold day like today, hope enjoy your hot chocolate or your coffee. A little hot, but it's perfect for the day today. The topping on the milk on the top disguises the flavor. But once you get it underneath your nostrils, the chocolate, no sugar added. It already has sugar, the actual chocolate. All right, I forgot the most important thing. So when you get your virote, dunk it. Oh, it's like a whole new world.